Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will like to show you the greatest feature on the PicsArt application. If you ever feel disappointed the way how you edit an aesthetic picture but then you cannot get that, you just need to use this feature because you can get those aesthetic features for less than 1 minute. Open the PicsArt application on your mobile phone, and you just need to make sure that you are stay into this sections. Just tap into this button and then you will got a lot of replay options or templates in general, and then you just need to like scrolling down and find the effects that you want to get for your picture. If you want your most favorite, you just need to tap on the replay. Let's say I would like to make the picture looks like this one. So you just need to tap on the picture. The next, you just need to go click this choose my photo, and then you just need to pick the picture that you want to edit with this replay style. Now you just need to just tap into this next until it's facing the end. You will see this is after the editing and this one is before editing. You can see the difference. Now you can get this more aesthetic style of photos, and then you just need to go download this picture and you are done. So simple and easy. Your editing is less than 1 minute and you already get this aesthetic picture. So if you still have some questions, just drop into the comment section. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button and turn on the notification for more videos.